Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install one of the bibliometric analysis softwares. So the one we are going to install is VosViewer. So here I am on my Google and I'm just going to make a search with VosViewer download. Okay. And here I will go here. Here you see when we search with VosViewer, actually some of our videos from ResearchHUB shows up as recommended videos. Anyway, so we are going to now install the VosViewer software. And here you see they have the software installation files for three different systems: Microsoft, Windows, then Mac, and other systems. So here I'm using a computer that is Windows systems. So I'm going to download this file. So my download is going on. So now I go to show folder. Here I'm going to extract. Because it's a zip format file, we have to extract the file. So now the extraction is complete, and here we can see the manual. Here we can see some data. Here we see you can see the history, license. But for us now, the interesting part is this one, the software. Okay, so I'm going to run this one, and it says my PC is protected, don't run. So actually I know that this software is from a very trusted source and I can trust it. Okay, so I'm just going to click run anyway. And then it says, okay, the application requires Java runtime environment 1.8.0. So I actually don't have it. It's a very new computer. So if you're doing it for the first time, maybe you will also see this. So I have to install Java runtime environment. Okay. So when I click there, it takes me here. And now, yeah, I'm just going to accept all the cookies. And here I'll say, okay, start and agree and start free download. Here I'm going to say keep. So the download is going on. I know these softwares are very trusted softwares, both the Java and the VosViewer. So although the Windows is giving me some warnings, I'm still going forward. There could be some softwares which are not so trusted. So in those cases, maybe you will be careful. You should be careful. But these two, both of them are very trusted softwares. Okay. So I have my Java installed now. Not installed, downloaded. So now I'm going to say, okay, yes, install it. So now Java seems to be installed successfully. It took a couple of minutes and I'm going to close it. Now, sometimes it may require you to restart your computer, but before doing that, I'm just going to try it again if my VosViewer works. So now I opened and it seems to be working. Again, it took me a couple of minutes to open it. I assume this is because it is the first time after I installed Java. So here you see this is how it looks like when you install VosViewer successfully. Okay, and then in the analysis videos we will show you how to do analysis. So normally we will start from here, create, and then we upload our data that is extracted from Web of Science or the Scubus database, and then we will start analysis. Okay, here just to show you quickly, so this is where we can load our data. So here you can load from Scubus, Dimensions, PubMed. Here you can load data from reference managers in different formats as EndNote, RefWorks. You can also extract data through API, which I actually haven't tried yet, but they have improved these things, and it could be possible to actually download data through API as well. But for this course, we are going to do it using the Web of Science Scubus Dimensions. Okay. Okay then. So if you have installed it like this, great. So just wait until we go through the analysis videos. Okay. Thank you. And in the next video, I will show you how to install the site space software. Thank you.